Hey, welcome back. So you're in your 40s, huh? You've probably got a solid career going, a family to support, and maybe even a little bit of wisdom, finally, on how the world works. But here's the real question. Are you ready to make your money work for you, not the other way around? In today's video, we're talking all about passive income and the best ways to earn it in your 40s. Whether you're still paying down debt, saving for the kids' college, or just trying to build wealth for a comfortable retirement, passive income can be your secret weapon. So if you're ready to start earning while you sleep, or while binge watching your favorite show, stick around. Let's jump in. Before we dive into the best passive income ideas, let's make sure we're all clear on what passive income actually is. In simple terms, passive income is money that comes in regularly with little to no effort on your part once the system is set up. This isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. You put in the effort up front, whether it's investing, creating something, or setting up a system. And then, you get to watch the money roll in while you go about living your fabulous 40-something life. Now, don't get me wrong, passive income still takes some effort, especially in the beginning. But once things start working for you, it can be a game changer for your financial future. Okay, enough with the theory. Let's talk how you can actually make this happen. Here are some of the best passive income ideas for people in their 40s. Whether you're just starting or already have some investments going, these ideas can help you build and diversify your income streams. First up, dividend stocks. So, you've probably heard of the stock market, right? But did you know that some stocks pay you just for owning them? That's right, dividends. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, companies pay you a portion of their profits regularly, sometimes quarterly, sometimes annually. And no, this isn't some mythical money tree we're talking about, it's just smart investing. Now, before you go all in on the latest hot stock, make sure you're focusing on companies with a solid track record of paying and growing their dividends. Look for companies with a sustainable dividend payout ratio, and consider reinvesting those dividends to maximize your wealth. It's like a mini pay raise every few months, and you didn't even have to work for it. Plus, it's tax efficient. Your dividends could be taxed at a lower rate than your regular income. Investing in dividend stocks is a great strategy in your 40s because you're building wealth for retirement, and those dividends can help supplement your income in the future. Next up, we have real estate investment trusts, REITs. I know what you're thinking. Real estate sounds great, but I don't want to deal with tenants, maintenance, or fixing a leaky faucet at 3 a.m. Well, good news, REITs give you a way to invest in real estate without all the hassles. A REIT is a company that owns or finances income-producing real estate, and as a shareholder, you receive a portion of the rental income or profits. It's like being an investor in a real estate empire, but without the headaches of being a landlord. In fact, most REITs are required by law to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders in the form of dividends. So you get the benefit of owning real estate without having to deal with all the fixing and flipping. Plus, most REITs are publicly traded, which means you can invest with as little as a few $100, and you don't need to worry about a big down payment. Ever wanted to be the bank? Well, with peer-to-peer P2P lending, now you can be. This is when you lend money directly to individuals or small businesses, and in return, you earn interest on your loan. Think of it as becoming a mini loan officer, but from the comfort of your couch. You can start with just a few $100, and the best part is, you get paid back with interest. It's like having a little bank of your own without the suit and tie. However, always be mindful of the risks, so don't invest more than you can afford to lose. P2P Lending is a great way to generate passive income while diversifying your investments. Let's talk about creating digital products. You don't have to be a tech genius to create passive income with digital products, whether that's an online course, ebook, photography, or even a printable planner. The beauty of digital products is that they only require a little work up front to create, and then they keep earning money long after you've finished. If you have a skill or knowledge, whether it's DIY home improvements, cooking, or even financial tips, hey, that's what I'm here for. You can turn that into a digital product and sell it online. Platforms like Teachable, Amazon Kindle, and Etsy make it super easy to get started. And once your product is up and running, you can make money while you sleep. A little effort now can pay off for years to come. Alright, if you're someone who likes a safe bet, high-yield savings accounts are a great passive income option. Let's be real. Putting your money in a regular savings account isn't going to make you rich. But with a high-yield savings account, you can earn 10-20 times more interest than with a traditional savings account. It's not a huge moneymaker, but it's low risk, and your money still works for you. Look for online banks with the best rates, and keep your emergency fund or short-term savings there. It's a simple way to let your cash earn a little extra while still keeping it easily accessible. Now this one's a bit more time-consuming, but if you're passionate about something, whether it's cooking, tech, fitness, or even financial advice, why not share your expertise with the world? Starting a blog or a YouTube channel is one of the most popular ways to create passive income in your 40s. Once you build up a solid audience, you can make money through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own products. Sure, it takes time and effort to grow your audience, but once you've got the content out there, you can keep earning while you focus on other things. Remember, if you've got knowledge, people are willing to pay for it. So whether it's teaching people how to cook, giving tech advice, or sharing personal finance tips, you can turn your passion into profit. So by now, you've probably realized that passive income is within your reach. But let's talk about how to actually get started. Here's a quick roadmap for your journey to passive income. Start small. You don't need to have a huge bankroll to get started. Pick 1 or 2 strategies and start investing a small amount of money and time. Be consistent. Building passive income takes time, so don't expect instant results. But stick with it and you'll see progress. Diversify. Mix things up. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The more streams of passive income you have, the more secure your financial future will be. The most important thing, get started. Even a little bit of effort now can set you up for financial success down the road. And remember, you're in your 40s. This is the time to make those long-term money moves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you know someone who could use some passive income tips, share this video with them. Sharing is caring after all. Also be sure to subscribe for more tips on building wealth and living your best life. And leave a comment below. Let me know which passive income idea you're going to try first. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's never too late to start building wealth and making money work for you.